Hey folks, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is Dark Blues. What does that mean? Dark Blues Rock Shuffle. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, the coolest guitar community on the entire planet. So, how does this sound, the Dark Blues Rock Shuffle? I just created this new song, it's awesome. Really simple to play. Now let's go. Also some cool lead guitar. And so on. It's really cool. I love it. I just made a little song out of it for my Swiss followers. Yeah, but let's check it out. Some creative ideas with this great riff here. First of all, the sound settings. This is a special thing about this one here today, which you probably didn't notice. This, first of all, is a drop D tuning, so you tune down the low E string to a D. That's the first, and now comes the secret. We already have this really grungy, deep and brewing dark sound, but to make it even more deep and brewing, I have added an octaver, but only a little bit. You hardly hear it, but I have some frequencies 1 octave below this. Maybe you can hear it. Probably not. But that makes a difference. If you turn that off, it doesn't have this really whammering sound. And some delay set on the quarter note of the beat. So let's get started with the riff. It's really cool. Okay guys, the tempo is 80 BPMs, which is really cool. It's really slow that you have this you know, this continuous shuffle thing, and you just need to get into this. That's the main thing. Just get into this, like even marching shuffle thing, like as you would march with, I don't know, other people. Yeah, so, and now with drop D is really simple. You just play the shuffle groove with damped technique here. That's the first thing. So 1 and 2 and 3. And then we have several elements which you can add. So that's the main thing, just this. So now we have several elements you can do. Oh. That will be one element. You make the shuffle, then you make a power chord in the 3rd fret on 4. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And that one you highlight with an accent. And as an answer to this little motif, you make 1 and 2 and 3 and then 4 and 3rd fret, 4th fret. This is the one element. We make 2 bar elements. So this is one element. You can do this with anything you like. That's one. This is 8 bars, so 3 times I think each. So that would be 6 bars. Then it goes to C9. Just a normal C with a pinky here in the 3rd fret, and to G5 here, ring finger on the 5th, A string damped, and index finger on the 3rd. then we go back to well, I'm gonna show you. It's really cool. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four times, not 3 times. Now see. And then again. And end up with the D5. Or whatever. I mean, it's not really a fixed song, just some ideas to really work out with drop D and this really dark blues rock thing, as in a style of All Them Witches. I really love All Them Witches. Don't ask me why, because they have this really deep and brewing sound. Yeah, so that's really cool. Now to get to the next intensity level, here comes the next riff. This. That one is really awesome, I must say. Don't use that one for any song, because that is my song now. I really love this one. Here's 1, so it's really simple to play. Here 1, and then borrow in the 10th, and then in the 12th, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, and you go down, slide up 3 to 5, and then you're ready in position, 3, 4. So it's really cool, honestly. I think this is one of the best riffs I ever did. So that's my riff. I show you 3, 4. And if you make a combination building up with the first riff I showed you and then go into this just mind-blowing how it opens up your tune, you know. I'll show you. I'm first going to play the first riff, then the second, and it will blow off your brains, guys. Now, and so on. You see, it's really opens up the tune. You can, in the first chorus, you can start to prepare the second riff by, which is basically the same thing as you're doing then 1 octave higher. This prepares to go to the next step. Yeah. And together with the delay, this is only drum and bass and guitar. This gives really a Tremendous sound. Now, sorry, if you wanna play lead guitar to this, you keep it simple, just here in low position with some pinch harmonics. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna play a little bit of lead guitar. And so on. It was nothing special, just work with pinch harmonics here. And then also go into the next position. This one is cool here. 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, 7, lettering 5 to 5, 4. And so on. And that's it. And that makes the whole thing really, you know, dark. Yeah. Yeah, guys, that was the Dark Blues Rock Shuffle tutorial. A really cool riff over 2 bars, building up, going to the next step, then go into lead guitar, then go back to the main riff. And if you wanna, you can add some lyrics. I try to do singing with it, but it's not so easy. I still need to figure that one out. But it's really cool. I'm gonna play a section after the tutorial now for you to get more inspiration about that. So if you love what I'm doing, please share my channel to all your guitar pals in all guitar forums, you know, to let the community grow here. Because it's really essential. The bigger the community, the more secure you are that the quality of the content goes up, 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 as you all want. Yeah. Please also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy for the backing track and for the tabs, which I'm providing, and also is a free membership. There you also just can discuss and start to interact with other students there. It's really cool, a small but very cool guitar community. So that was all I wanted to say. I'm gonna play a little bit for you now to end this tutorial. Give you some inspiration, and me and Dr. Pink are signing off.